Hello everyone, this is KFD Group and I'm showing you the Type B tool bag. So the same with the A bag, we've got the 4 eyelets here and 2 here, and also the 4 drain holes in the 2 pockets. Slightly different from the A where both the pockets are on top. Same with the opposing zip. So you got your space in here and here. Again, plenty of room for all your goodies in there. And there. Another difference with this one is you've got these 2 webbing straps here, which people can use them for. Some people put in broco rods in there sometimes, hold them in there, or you can use them for holding other bits and pieces that you want to take with you, and put your gloves in there if you need to take them off, or have another spare in there. So square on the sides. Measurements, let's have a look at the measurements. So we've got, this is 14¼ inches by 8 inches. You also you can put like I showed you on the A bag, is you can put your carabiners in here for hold on your D-rings on your harness. Okay, that just about covers that. So any questions, just let us know.